Welcome. So let's get right into this. First, you want to press the Play Store or the App Store icon on your phone. Search for ArcNet, ARKNET. Once you have located the app, press the Install button. Give it a minute or two to fully download to your phone. Once it is fully downloaded, press the Open button. You then will see the beautiful ArcNet logo. And once the app fully opens, you will be prompted to sign up. So press the sign up button below the login button and enter the email that you wish to be associated with the ArcNet app. Then you'll be prompted to create a password and confirm your password. Once you've done so, press the box next to the user agreement. Be sure to scroll and read through the entire user agreement. Once you have done so, press the I agree button and continue. You then will be sent an email verification code, so exit the app and go to your email. Refresh your email as needed. Once the email appears, press the email, locate the number provided, highlight and copy the number if possible, return to the app, and paste the confirmation number and press continue. And then press activate. You then will be prompted to create a username for your account. So create your username and then enter your first and last name. Then enter your phone number that you would like to be associated with your account and press continue. You then will be sent a text message with an authorization code. So go to your text messages, memorize the number and return to the app. Enter the authorization code number and press continue. And then allow access to your location. And on the right side here, you'll see a plus icon. Press the plus icon to create your memorial arc. Within the app, there are many different many different archetypes: general, memorial, business, real estate, event, and veteran. For now, we will show you how to create memorial. Describe your arc. This is typically the name of your past loved one. You then can decide whether you want private or restricted access to your memorial. For the location, you can choose to have no location whatsoever. This means no one will be able to see exactly where it is located. Or be extremely specific and press pin, which will show exactly where it's located. Area 1 shows the county. Area 2 shows the state. Then enter the description for your memorial. This could be as detailed as you would like. Once you have finished entering the description, scroll down. Enter the first and last name of the deceased. After that, enter the birth date. Then the passing date. And then the age. And the epitaph at the end. Once you've finished entering the epitaph, you then can add photos to your memorial arc. Press the icon to the left and then allow access to your photos to access the pictures. Choose a photo that you would like to add. You can add up to 5. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be adding 5 photos. Once you have done so, you can choose whether to opt in or opt out of ClickSee's invisible watermark tool, which protects your images. Makes it much more difficult for others to steal your images and change their appearance. Press submit and then confirm your purchase. Of course, this will be different for those of you that are paying monthly. Once you've done so, you'll be shown a message that says your arc will appear within 1 minute. And roughly, yes, it does appear in 1 minute. It takes about that time to populate, and then you will be pressing the icon to the top right, press show marks only, and then search. You then will see your arc appear on the map above. You can press it below and press it on your map. Choose to view or navigate. For now, we're going to press view. You then can choose to view the images by pressing the icon to the top right and sliding to the right to view all of your images. Once you've done so, you can press close to return and then scroll to view all of the details within your memorial. You then can choose to leave comments, the bottom right, second from the right. Add a comment to your memorial. This allows for your friends and family to view it and then interact with one another. You can share memories of your past loved one, experiences, and lessons that you learned. Hit the top left arrow to return. For others visiting, they can press the same icon and even reply to your comments. Once you've returned, the bottom right button allows you to navigate. Google Maps shows you, for this tutorial, we were at the location, so it was not necessary to navigate. You can like the memorial. You can even flag it. For this, it shouldn't be necessary. At the bottom left, you can access the QR code, which you can copy, paste, and share to your friends and family, which can be scanned with their cell phones, and it'll take them directly to your memorial. You can press the alert icon to be alerted when people leave comments. And to view in the augmented reality, you want to hold your phone up in an open space and press the AR button and allow. Then you will view the image in the cube. Press the image to expand the images out within your memorial. And to return to one image, press the center image, and then you can press the cube to go back within the memorial itself. Hope you all enjoyed.